eba na nsempatie amamu nsem DL kase bode hinta nyina aha ne pa hontama DLFM 106.9 kase bono nie aha ne nyina yetie
DL News.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afe yansha kese bonase emfemfiri o my Ghana. Yahinkru enkrabo premante na mesrew na watumirika ehia wo Facebook na afense YouTube kase baako ene video baako na yemfanso mawiei wo ba na wahye na afoforo nso anyemu echefam. Na meka say emperefo mbo moden endrada wanom epo adwumaden ewo mra aveno eno wakrabo premante mu kaneshi not ewo industrial area mpotem honom ebeto odwasa ne edan chenchirenchi abrosan edwuruguye emekata o my Ghana de hye bi so nendrada nyasemwa ene otumja adwumayokuma ekopie mu a nadbo mpenimfo ekrabo premante mu suafo ni nyamfo lenda okro avinso akramayo yampapa chesene alote ekopie mu sanse na ene opposite asahene ohun yampapa IGP tete Christian Yohonu kopie mu sana mampeni abede akire yema mi jenna opoku agyeman professor ekopie mu bia na nyase mukuma kra ne mpenifo de abetu dwase meka sei enimpa pode benum 2 ena wonom endo adada na dwiguro ye no age wonom kra ede afiri wonom ensem na enka ne kire mi sei putupru adwumayefo ekire mu a emro mu yiyi jesen ye eniama ekwa asase ne mu nyina ekatare hye ne so endra mu wieye ewa ndo ada kosi ata dwombosumi na nataso enso no omu kire mu a omu bre ye pa ewa connection not mpotem ho no mra edan edwuguru ye no na wone mu kire mi sei enipa banu de wo mu yi wo mu animu no so a meka sei wono makoma ayaresabe yakoto a wonom ekina wo mo so ese wono mu yade na meka sei wo mu kire mu dan ebugu ye no asem wey esiye na ben me compress eno no ene asfom showroom na edihwe animum ewo connection not hono ma metre north industrial area aye avenue ayohwesemi ekosi yem na otumja adwumayokuma ana afenso atoyankyem aboafo ku ahoto ekobwa badwumade ndrada na nyasemekuma kra wo mane nso ne to na wonom ejinemu am wonom epo adwumaden na mu wie na moda ne ma de se amekese no enipa benu na wonom efrimum afoforo banu nso de wo ma prepre na no waden entemekese omo ede makọ ayaresabia doctorfo ejina wonom so ese wonom yadem enipa baako a na waden mran kwanhye yi si ya no ho ye ha enti owuwa ye ne sutumi ede nsem sei ejansanhwerefo.
I don't feel fine now. In short, I don't dey happy at all because what happened today, I don't expect them. I did the building now. As I see the one pillar 4, now I think come out beside the building. One of my colleagues will still said the building. As that one hear the noise, that one still come out. That one still want to snap the pillar, go sit and go give the guy get the house. The next time they had the building 4. Now me wrong. Now that one still wrong. Had the building presser for ground there. There is 2 people, but one in the mosque there. The building hits that one, but other guy is stay this building. But that one jump and break your ribs. So ambulance came and take me there and treat me. Yeah, it's a normal building for us. I'm security here. I've been here a year plus. You know, here is where business. The store here is business where they do business, provision, mineral, this type of thing, water. Here is it. But today I don't expect what happened.
And yeah, just say omotonton ade o. Ohun yan say edan ni pillar baako ekwa form an o ye fast see form. Anka samere yenim se onokra nyankopon de a onim ene ode na ase ma nyankopon se nyame aboa ne pa na ambulance service so ahwe ne yie etimi aprepre chide ma na mekese na pomoden ne ma ekon kan ede amano wei eyo wura ba kwan da na owodan ni mu edan ne dwiri ye nanso ne ho ye henti no edan no entimi ankata no som na nsam we mu no ena wura ne dinde Michael Kusi eye Kusi tete oye engineer anafi so policy analyst echirem say ha dwen so manyimu enkwanhia pi na si titiriwu ne dan a idwirigu ni pasoom na so mperifo chirem say hwehwem ba to abonten so ba ya uhu ba bia hwehwem ne wada eka ho ne de biada atoyanchemu ekoso wo chirem am wo kwa mama hodo bi si gise ne America Italy ne mama hodo na Satuyen Chamsi pet, no shuma ba. No my betcha say, wait, went in announcement when she says Ghana, dear. Put to prove assembly banner or ba a danger winnie passwa. In when she be so important and mabio. Yehudi see yet ne jato hanashi, nanipa ashraja padia. Nancy Batanasi, and Peniform is on the Bible and say that bad deal. Sagana for who you muso, ni sentina catem, and knock a hunting and ne. And question Gusu Ayaquasu, may modern same say, at 2 century of winning.
We've had Melbourne collapse many years ago, and many other buildings have collapsed. But it looks like we are not learning any lessons from these building collapses. And that is the sad part of it. Because in all of this, if you were to ask anybody, where is the official report from the Melbourne collapse? No one can, very few people can tell you where it is. The truth is that if we truly want to learn from disasters and to prevent them in the future, what we should be doing as a nation is to be sharing these reports. But it looks like whenever these reports are done, even if they are ever done actually, they become like public secrets or confidential documents that are not shared with the public. If you don't share the reports with the public, how do people learn from the past events? So for me, the worrying part of all this is that we don't seem to learn from the past because the reports are never shared. They are treated as secret documents, which is rather the sad event. Because if you look again, in the past, there have been a lot of market fires. Where are these reports? And let me give you an example. If you were to go online today and look for disasters that have happened in other countries, the Fukushima disaster that happened in Japan, the building collapses and the fire incidents in the UK, the bridge collapse in Italy, you will find all these reports online. Because as a safety professional, I look at these things regularly. But if you were to search here in Ghana, you will never find any of our reports. So for me, that is one thing that we need to ensure that whenever accidents like this happen, the reports are made public so that people can learn from it. So for me, that is my very first comment.
Yo, report no, a dan jugu, a just shit or manager padie, a jaho do a share, but Primus Amri. Report about Kumpum, my Ghanaian Siadian film, Yan penny for nafa, so the Bayako goes on the back up and Kuma Primus Amri, a trading. And I would tell any day a day. Mr. Macker, Kosi, Dede, or engineer and a few policy analyst, and I would tell in Kane. Now, and watching the National Association of Local Authorities of Ghana. And then Nalak, Mr. Alfred, I see a do a J. H. Let me say. Say, when she has a baby or my muputi proof. Ayana, or Moyaha, and Fakadi and Co. A Denya Buagu, don't hear by Yamiansa and 9 tem and Sana, at the Shaba Sebabwa. Suddenly, idea, a many papina, Romonqua, and the idea had drained. O come on and Tessacra, or Manimu, Yawa drip equipment video P, mentioning no beer will be, as some dancing now will be. I didn't think a Denya Jurago. Na yatna si ya hwan sama tese don hwede baye mienu miensa kire ansan na mfidi aba na de akoyi nipa sedi mpa na obaye anya hwe kura no don hwede ba kwa ansan ne kwa be firi ne nsam a na don hwede miensa ne wo hu dada inte ha dwen bibisi a penifo mo honya ha na mo wasa baye nipa no okwahya asase asa yanyi yani mani ko firi mu na ba ne sa atete dodo.
At the moment, one thing I want to dwell on is have to do with our response to things. Response. Actually, we've been here for the past 3 hours. The first excavator came, it was not working. Okay, they had to. So about 3-4 hours. This one.
And who was responsible for bringing in the heavy equipment?
Every assembly is supposed to have drip machine. Okay, we have the drip coordinator. So what was the information that was in? But I'm not shifting blame to anybody. But at the end of the day, 2 people are trapped in it. So I assume that they have even 1 hour lifespan. Okay, for them to be under, for them to be rescued. 3-4 hours, everybody was confused. Everybody. Our response to issues in Ghana is nothing to write home about. Let me put it that way.
So there was a delay in the arrival of the equipment.
Factually, there was a delay. Because just look at the time this machine came. Okay, if this happened around 5 o'clock, and so now the machine which is in operation just came, you can just ask your question that what is happening. Our response to issues is not the best at all. All the mayor is here, the regional minister is, everybody is here. Okay, so we're supposed to answer certain questions. These are the questions that I will ask as an assembly member.
Why and it has a same way or no? Any awuti ye or Budjumade National Association of Local Authorities of Ghana, Nalak, Mr. Alfred, Adjoa Agyei, na and watching a registrar at the Engineering Council, Engineer Isaac Petu H. Let me say a brasso pa. Say, mention no, MMDS no, Mamma de say, Nipa Biado Bessi Dino. Obetimi adihye so na wanya nipa o ye engineer ni mapa obetimi ahyehyɛ dan na kama de ama no na wasisa be ya enkofa to yenchem emfama ade wei ayaba ko mienu ennan chese to aso sam enti amomode ne ya mmoa na sasa na ma hyehye pa mansin begu akwam na nkonkan de a wei ebeta koso sa wo manyim sa ebe hadwen.
Generally, we have a lot of high-rise buildings. I mean, if you look at the airport city, if you look at all those buildings are there, they are not collapsing. We have a few which are collapsing, and therefore we need to, like I said, be sure that we have the right people undertaking the designs for them, the right engineers designing those buildings. So we need to, we are investigating a few of them. We will be coming up very soon with reports of our investigations. But we think that the assembly needs to do much more because we are the first point of call when these buildings are going to be constructed. They come to them for permitting. So at the permitting stage, we should be able to make sure that we have the qualified people doing the construction. And during the construction stage, the assembly has a responsibility to monitor and make sure that the right materials are being used.
Any awoti ye ono obo adwumaden ye pa. Sir Registrar Edema Engineering Council ne den engineer Isaac Petu ena wote ni na kwakra mo no ena omampeni abedi akire ye maame Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman ekopie mu ede azesere ede ato omangana de hia ni mu sei obesere ye ne ada oman bia ye yamra emra ne beboa nipa okire ma mra nya de ya de papa nanso sebe ye beboa pa na nipa di mra so na oman yakoye ni munti ne de mra pa inti obesere yamma ye homoden say wonkosi dan konfan kosi baabi na obi hu kaka dwam na nipa hwere na nkwa wasere efiri na ko Ghana ni bia ni mra so usi dan afa dan se baabi mra ho ema ho kwan emfa dan enkonkosi sukam eno ache nso obi anya na afam de na ye ni mra so na yemwa na Ghana man echichire nkwa ye ni mo kire mu a efiri na ko Oma mo hwema mra ye adwuma no so obi anyire ni tadwam na mo mra mu nya den na mwa oman Ghana ho bente saa de yato ye nchemi ye be ko so hunu ni saa wo man.
We don't need to wait. As we are standing here, we are told that somebody is trapped in there. Why should this happen? Because somebody didn't do the right thing. You see, when people step out to do the right thing, all of us should support them. Sometimes we don't. We even isolate them and we make the world believe that they are rather the ones doing the wrong things. What is worse than somebody trapped in here? Even if you are trapped in your car, how will it feel? So please, all I'm saying is that let's abide by the rules. I said only yesterday or so, the rules never make sense. Nobody likes rules, but we need rules. Otherwise, nothing will function. And we need to do proper investigation. We must all open ourselves to be held to account. It's all of us. This really maybe needn't have happened, but what could we have done? What do we do to ensure that going forward we are not seeing many like these? We all know the right things to do.
Ani awoti ye aya Ghana mampeni abedi akire Professor Jane Nana Opoku Agyeman.
Yantua kasebone Sonian Frinkran ni mantem ni akogina mu wepoe mantem na Green Diversity Africa for ye fiade twemu aya omo babo so mene de toso enum wonfimpimienu ni aduonu sia mu eka wiase nyina ho eka eye environmental day no course wa chem nkroso ewa abu akwa South eye municipal assembly nim no ewa poe mantem na team na edadwumade ni so eye global call for climate action na ndia kandi form Green Diversity Africa ene eye opinion leaders eye tememufo en nananom ahemfu nyina ekabo mu amadwumade no etimi koso amomudua eye nnua no ba ni bibeye 1500 sane ebeye ye nsase omabubudua ede afrisu no omosanso ebetimi adue biom na asase ne so no etimi akotebia na ewo mu dada no na aboa mansuo nso so no etimi akotebia dada nim na bra omone semchofo etwetwe nkomo an executive director Edema Green Diversity Africa Hobson Japan ekasa ye HM say ade anua nso edi dwuma kese pa woni pa ya bra bomu enu ntine wo so obia eboa sane ebeye nnua ye omobomode aduadua ye obia betimi adua bi na etimi aboa ma yeso yatena ye na yetimi aboho ban na we na okasa biem no HM say ye nananom ye tetefo no no munim say nnua no eye mfasode pa de mani penunti no ana omobo Muhammadia edua bi na emom esa peseminkum nya no ewo nipa no bibitam nti na kyese omo bubu nnua na omo seye nsuo na omo seye atena ye nti omo Muhammadia hwe so omo so betimi aka omo ho eyetememfo ni na enhwe se nnua omo dua omo betimi aboa no matimi edua bi
and say Green Diversity Africa and yabaha ebe celebrity World Environment Day. World Environment Day at the global level also we should take climate action. And so what do we have to do with nature? What do we have to do with climate? What can we make sure we will do to at the end of the day to say beya oba de bobre ya de oba de nema odi aman no yenso ye bobo ho ban ba kwa me pese meka afa won say bo environment no ye bo ho ban and no benefit na ba yen because at the end of the day so over to so yen no kan o say krumu no omonyare yen ye be hu say forest we kruma forest na wo krunu no de nkomumpo de e kire ne say e ade a sombo e ma oman entino say ye wo forest bisa na yen nananom dwen e konkan e say yen fa baabi ento ne enua na te so munim emfaso na e wo nua adenti na de e ba enua wo ehu nyina ye twa to agu yen ye building code na kire say so we see fie kura mpo a e say at least one nua kura nua be 9 de e so odia enso bisa ho say uko fie mo fie ahin na obewuro ma obetimi akokrachi ni pa fie a obi ogo an obeka tro so no environmental scientist obeko ni fie no atotas wo fie onyina bia ba kumpo enzini fie ba obisa ho say ye sua de ana say ye kokko sua de exams but the account no de emfanya adwuma we have to practice what we learn, the knowledge that we have acquired. It is very important that we apply them.
Enwechi ana Mr. Hobson e Japan ekasa ana oche musa Chinese fuo ebejo munsuo ewo mu man mu no mabo man Ghana mu no maba beseye de esanse Ghana fo ni bi na mo ho kwan ya nutu no mutimi ba ebeye santi Ghana fo nseso musuban na mo momode ahweso betimi aboya tena yen so eho be esanse da chema ana mo de o mabrabo eto esane mu no sanso efa dwumedie ni so elanche eye Ochiman Riparian Buffer Restoration and Agroforestry Project a omutwanitia efre ne se obrapa
Ubusa won say China afidie ben no muni India afidie ben no muni omo ni nyina bi so produce plastic no mo de aman no mo mu didi wa haban mu because ono cherish the environment no ono nim so the man na to crime emfa no China betimi afira brutiri no ono aba be se unsu no ono ni nsu de etrena nam na mu nyina kama ese sesan ya adwen nti next year ye hie mu ye hia say ye be sesan ya adwen ye behavior ekwan ya fa so a ye tena ne environment ne tena no ye mpe kwan fufura ye betena ne on betena in harmony, and that is what we are promoting. A crime ban a befasun so environment na nyankopon de aman na odi agya no ye bedane ani na nya so mfaso me bisa se Ghana pass ye bia enua be se bia se de bia ye kan so the men for mahogany trees na men for bamboo trees se ye bia no kwa be se e bia 10 million now the way small calculation say a forming canopy afa your territorial borders ni nyina with mahogany ni enua hodo a bisa won say in the next 20-50 years, what if just about 10 million of it now multiplied by the value that we anticipate to get at the end of the day, and just do the calculation yourself. The billions that we want to go and borrow from the World Bank.
Eniya wuti ye executive director Edema Green Diversity Africa Mr. Hobson e Japan na ne krakra mu ana enkroso hene osabere madanso abiam ofori kasa ye echire mu se ya de anua no eboa ema omutimi sa ya wie sanse tete no untimpo so obi kasa me haye me ya na se me mfe amiti anas esanse ya de anua no ewo ho no mabibiduro ne no ana na omonom na so sese ne de wo hwesa ne niama esifa akona ya wie krampo no ebuso na tete ne krampo se wo beko forest bim no akasa ukobu nnua krampo no suro na so ende chainsaw operators ni timi kono makobu bunua no mo sensase na we ana okasa ana ochemu so de nhyehyeye tudwa chainsaw operators na mo won important mu no emomode aso mo betimi aboa na nnua ye o mabomode ahya ase so mo dua no mo so betimi adua bi anya sa na so mamboa no mandi ni nhyehyeye so na wo obechew se wan fam na kwan so akobu nnua no betimi atwewa so
and then they were hard to say, one
DLFM.
Hine Osabere Madanso Abiam Ofori na manibo yen semtro ni kontin hini kofi obo ana difre poemantemu ebesomye.
Yan toa kasebwa no so na yemfiri Ghana. Ya pie mantemu ni yemfe ni kiremu ewa sante mantemu na meka say municipal chief executive officer Edematwuma Ngwabiaja mensenem ewa sante mantemu oniminyamfo wisdom osaibu ama ede asabo fom sekew se wonom bebwa na wonom asi 24-hour model market gadata na boa emadehia wonom ewo atwema Ngwabiaja mensenemu no edwadi akonkan enwuma buso ema afensu sikasem akoye ewo mensenem na wonom hwe anemu sei edwadata omba besie no de dikan wo menya eye ehyen ginabia railway station eno wachinso daycare center bia ya mofra be nketo be ko school wo menya bim police station e posifu atena ye sanso na guest house ba bia hoho beda kama pam omo wie nso adwumade api na be kwaso ho no ma beboa pam magisa adwadifo na atumi afili afam na mra ode nsam to dwa na wakasa wo mra omode aso ebofom no no minyamfa wisdom osebo ama ekirem sei 24-hour economy market ne yade a ebeboa pam ema de hyenya so mfaso mepa edwuma bebusu mebunu benya adwuma na de hye amowa atwema Ngwabiaja nso enye edwuma aye okirem asese no obesrem penifom de adwuma de nano sei bia ya ekwan da wonu musi dwa no ememe ahoto a containers wo na nso omonhia asie nsi dwa ne firi no munya abotrema wonom na omonhia asie mfiri ba bia ekwan da kakra no muyom ne ma no pe na omato aso atenemu de ko okirem asese yemfa to Ghana fo anim sei ade hye amowo atwema Ngwabiaja enim patem mu na mobenya kwan na dwa no mo bibia ya bu so ato aguru mobenya kwan akom edikan ansa na o maka nso anya kwanya abeya adwuma entimu hwe anim se adwuma de bebebo mo pa hwa ye be kakraka na mu nyina manya bia mbedi dwa na masetenem empuntu abam
ene adwuma de aye adwuma de abra na o mampanyine Ewura John Dramani mama obontoa ede abapiri tumi kase a na ye nyina ede asa ne nsa no Ghana de hye nyina ate ase se nyame ya adom na mo de akonya ne hye ne nsa obewe se obema 24-hour economy akoso ewo omanum na ne mpemponso eye gadi bia kese a oba besi a atwema Ngwabiaja yensa ka bia yansi ne ba bia se bia ya yegina ya ewo abuakwayi sa bia ya ye ba besi enye market keke na gadi bia soronko a eya ade fofora eba beka omanum na di mpuntuo ene adwuma ede abre mabunu ene adwadifo a ewo atwema Ngwabiaja ene no patam na mo wa asase su di dwuma a ye pese yesesa no na ye madwuma die eye soronko na atwema Ngwabiaja fa no ntoma pafra no empanyifo se bibi ansa ya bibi enyeye enti ye besra mo na de esie bia mo de ache ye ne contractor so bedidi nkomo asase no so dwumadie na obedi no so onya nuru ba bia containers no wana on sha se o ba bia asase ne da won ne ma containers fo na esisi won emre kakra e de kopem se emre no beduru na container fo no atima yi o container no na o ma pe ba bi papa e de asi atuma Ngwabiaja de se o mudi da ha enya source no bia obi mfiri ba bi emma emma no so no bi so mfa eni ni dwuma anano madaroma ebi atwa akom na so de amesra contractor ne say yenim say eyemfie miensa na contract yi ehye nsa a wode beye na atwemaman nyina ta wachi enti esra so beye adwuma no waye na ho hare so so otumi ye nimfie mienu kura de maya atwema Ngwabiaja ye ni beje ho ya da nyina say some of
106.9
ene ya woti ye ono na ya pan na musine de ma de hia wanom ewo atwema Ngwabiaja abeto mpesu aso ewa sante mantemu ne den ade oniminyamfo wisdom ɔsɛe buama na ɛno akyi ɛna ɔhene papa ɔno kɔ gyina mu ɛma asante hene otumfoɔ ɔsɛe tutu ɔtɔso mmienu ɛne ahemfo a wɔne wɔ asante mantam mu mɛkyerɛ otumfoɔ ɛsi ahene nana yaw akuako ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ n'ani agye paa sɛ nnɛ Ghana mampeni ɛnam wɔnom aban na musini no nyamfa wisdom ɔsɛ bɔ amaso ɛbɛboa medwada ta sɛ wɔnom saka biem ɔkyerɛ bɛ n'ani agye paa na ɔmo so bɛtɛ akyerɛ aboa medwa no bibia kɔnka no mom ɔsrɛ sɛ yi deɛ wɔnom aban na musini kyerɛ mu a ɔmo wie pɛ wɔn mbubu ɔmo so ɔsɛ dɛbi mu nya abotre ɛnya abua kwafoɔ nko a na ɔmo benya so mfa so edi kan dɛbi obi a ɔwɔ atwema ngwa biagya mansin mu bia ɛsɛ ɔno so di kan kɔ hobi na onye be papa tena ɛno akyi nso ɔbɛsan so asrɛ edwena ɔmo ba besie no mu si a mo dwi nipa ɔmo didam ho ana enipa a wadi dɛm ɛsɛ mo yɛ ne kama sɛ bɛyɛ a ɔmo nso sɛbi ɔmo yɛ nipa ɔmo betumi akɔ dwa ne mu akɔdi dwa ebi so akɔtena hɔ nom ayɛ adwuma ɛsɛ mo dwena mo ho ɛno akyi nso 24 hour economy enyina nkane ya nsɛnsɛm so mbaya ne sɛn latin system no munya ne yie ɛsɛ nkane ne gyina na so 24/7 every way yɛ kɔ anadwo ahamache anadwo da suom ne awia inte sɛ nkane ne gyina sɛnte saa pa na kane yɛ kafre kwadwo de bɛ ha dwen na na de nsɛm sei ɛto dwa
yɛtie mu sɛ ɛyɛ modern market facilities ɛwɔ mu nyinaa no yɛde ato dwa na yɛsoso deɛ yɛka kakra ne sɛ honorable okasa na ase yɛwie a aboakwafo ne ɛbɛfo mu ansa na obi aba ɛne deɛ nananom yɛnye ntu project ne atwemafoɔ nyinaa deɛ enti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ consider atwemafoɔ nyinaa ansa na sɛ obi firi abɔnten outside atwema deɛ a ɛdeɛ ne ate aseɛ na yɛka sɛ aboakwafoɔ nko adeɛ a ɛne yɛne honorable wɔ ntɔkwako yes, projects in the Yabubono, man, just say you're making provision for physically challenged for a very, very key. Almost also be patronize the market, no. It's a market here, send you almost also more bar. Send me the what did them get any extra what you reach him, or also be access to the market, or also impediments, Biara. And see your best says, Anunima, more function, MIA. Market sanitation was a better says sanitation now, a better sanitation now, you know, Enquire the Fufro. Now, you have to have prompt collection of waste, you know, and so by you mana fe bedu tabi ne enu anaba better pets there and I do any papa baby because here it is happy I am so to be na ase no you require be so the street lighting system so ebefa say be aye nu no na afa hu nyina yetum ne mu no aso light e ba da sa anajo obi no obeba
eni ya wuti ye no ono ena gyina mu ekasa ye edema asante hene otumfo ose tutu a otoso mienu ene ahemfo a wono asante mantemu otumfo ese hene nana yawo akuakon na wote ne nkan nanu wachi na engineer Daniel Yaboa wono adwumadie oda no say project manager bo adwumaden edema eco planners NF engineering consult limited echechire mu se de adwa no ebesi ba ye pa na ne fa ni nyina no oda na di ne ne mapa ebekọ edwanim
4-hour economy market obi ani say dwa ye di na no pa wi anumre anajo bia ye di say dwa no enti that project we say enema ewo mu no em say honorable aka bebre enti me bono top antentem na yakọ your local software yetimi elo kono no ene ye yentimi lo kono no ni nyina no ye kabo ma ye benya ma ko 300 enti gidi say cha obia benya 300 your police post ewo your fire post also ewo your daycare say honorable daycare your pharmacy shop also ewo your clinic obi bana no edodo na ye de ne be ko ho ne asane yare your women's bank also your warehouse baby ewo ma utika so obi ma for rent bi na wo de oniama agumo
eni ya wuti ye engineer Daniel Yaboa ono na ye project manager edema eco planners and engineering consult limited ena wote ni na mane boye nsam twire ni Barbara Kranten na di free asante mantemu ebesom ye
Yantoa Kasiabone Sonia Koswa engineer mu ewa Santimantema na district chief executive the match Mamponia no wa Santimantemu Mr. Isaac Ibrahim fiade twema ye omobobo som ni de toso enum onfempimienu ni aduonu nsia mu di anim emoma adwuma etimi ekoso efa national sanitation campaigner na wotwe bi edikan ewo busumi bia mu no omoye no and omo de 3 hours and esi wonom my adwuma no som tete gates mu dodododo ye bia ye fini na no mutimi esiesie ho ameho etimi kama na adwuma ye fo mu free district assembly etimi eboa ye personal sawodon so mu free nadmon so no etimi ebeboa ye property owners adwadifo ne temamfo mo ni na no kabo mu hwemu se my adwuma no ebetimi akoso na we ana Mr. Ibrahim Isaac ene semtrofo atwetwe nkomo na ochemu se ade assembly members wo ho no ma ho fama omo so no enya ye no nani aso ye papa esan so omo so hwesa hunidie hu sembetimi akoso wo mens ninim no matememfo ni na arehemu sa assembly no bo omo homode so omo so beboa na national sanitation campaign no omo so ahese bibia betimi akoso ye no omo so enfento omakoma so so betimi aboa sa na dachi bia no ekoba so omo nsese omo potem anya de omo betwetwe omo ho esan sa pomudin pa de ehun hia de manipa bi owo man Ghana mu enti sa hunidie ho sam so ekoso na so manjuma so koso a omonfa omoho ni na ehiem na oda omo beka omoho mo manjuma no etimi koso esan so omo so eboa ahwe so omo mens ni no yapomudin ho sam so ebetimi akoso ye na san so ehebo echemu sa ya de omo besi toilet facility de amatimemfo omo wo anyinam so sa na be omo so beboa na omo so hawa omo wo ewo toilet ho no omo so no ombetimi asano
sanitation ni be srebo so anyinam so number 1 and number 2 na duma de ni nyina ni gina so ne se ye ne yatu efiase efi ade ahokyere yarowa ni awudie ba eba tada efi kura timi de wo ye dai eba efi so di hia ba de ka se fi di hia ba o yare na so ko hospital na o sika kakra da ho a sas kana na obefa de asa ho yade na okwe yade ne yade no nkwa sika na da so besa na de ahokyere ba esanti na aba no hye mu no dia ne timamfo no busum bia enya hye ne nkokuro mu ne ne timamfo no yendi empata mu enne de ba nyinam so ena no pai ya ba nyinam si how bebre na corona ka kire especially anyam so number 1 omo say bia omutu bola gu omo a challenge kakra assembly no ya de ka to bola kente kese ni bi entimi kwei mesha me sanitation officer na by Friday no wani obeshia na money assembly man any company for no na pe ba bia ya de ta bola kente ni besi na timamfo no ato bola na gu omo side omo hawa to mani say omo ajana bia e wo hono asai omo ni bi ma sha omo bo say afinu kwa wiye no na contractor abaha wo be ye ba bia ye fe no toilet amomo
eni ya uti ye district chief executive the match Mamponia eno ewa Santimantemu Mr. Isaac Ibrahim na manibo ye nsem choni Barbara Cranton na different Santimantemu ebesomye
yantoa Kasiabo no so ne yenyina mu ewo nkran bopure mantemu kira akra hanom na president edema adeshima fan club na Adjoa anobia adesere ato o my Ghana ban ene yankran ne anum sei obesrada ye moye homoden sei o my Ghana inyankanso be gina mo ho na yetimi edisika hye omumu na yaboa ayi wonom free street ne so na yama wonom sa ne dwuma na boa mo so maboa o my Ghana chekere ne kanko efise mo fra yi ewo da ache pa yama me de adesere tu dwamra na wonom eya doye soronko ede ama countryside orphanage home ewa wutu bodwase ewo fifi mantem no de nsede tu dwana adehema fan club adwuma koi no wonom bo apa titiri ne nipa wonom ni bie efie yi wo mama abusua twa wo maja na mo boa wonom titiri ne inyanka ene akunafo na omadikan ayadoye pi na wo man Ghana menzi ne mantem pi ma ena asese so maye bi eno ya asese so abonse ni wabrem ena afin so asuaba omaya adoye ne pi ni wo ho no maboa de hia na wo kirema emofa ni pi wadache pam nanso enam se o my Ghana mpenifo mo wo mu so o maso ntine ne emofa ni pi ne nam montene basa nu bono mo nom intaba bempa de emofa no betuma mo maga kire ne kan konso etimi akwanka wo kirema obasira ban aba ne moa na fa hyehyapa bi nwa kwan mu na mo from ne na mamanga na montene basa mu ni fietie no aba mo bo mu nyina no no ntete wo no mo mu sanu dwuma no mbeja nu bonanom ye ma me kirem sei aba tan so osere mo ada wonim sei wonso awo a enkowo ene ba makura nkonkwada obi wo no mato ne ba na to atwene baabi no bi ne ba kotum dom na abo bi awe ne kwa o kirema ha dwen eko yaboa afa Ghana de hye pina hwe wonom de senti obesere ba tan ya mo wo mo hwe ma na magya mofra ne da cha dom totontoma yese ntoma na mato ahye bag mu ma ne munyai na mo mani enko mofra no na mofra yi ene abusua ne o man da chen ye ma me modem bo a wode na die no omra okopie mum egwom awutu bodwase no ewa countryside orphanage home no o man ko ne sapan ene ye mu bi koye rice cooking oil anwa ene afin so drink mu ode dokodoko kama de bi kan home ene afin so niema ye de kwaja na bia so meche toiletries ekoye washing powder ene ye Lumba nsupa chase water bebre na kopie mu a omosandi sika butu emu oduru pa o man to den eka ho na afin so wono manyinam kan ye bo so mutua bi di ma wono ye maame Adjoa no bia e kire nsemu sei
o hwemachi a menimi kumba eye adehemba fan club ene ye boanan eba countryside orphanage home ebe ye adoye e de ma ye ma enketoa na e wa hanom no de meka ne se awisia ye endafamo awisia ye se unina eniaja na akola ketwa sei da ben na watwe afa oboa na odi anyini ansa na waka se wo tena wo ne wase endafam enti de kakra meka ne se mesre aban ene ne mpanyifo madaroma nkebe ya mumwa na enkwala na nam street ni so no yenyi omo fi street ni so ye papa akasa na oka bibi se amutumi kofa nkwala ni bi e wo kwayem akwala ya wo no e dey born a ye de roba baga atete na kote na twene enye oba bi akoma so ade ne so obanyim bosome nkono na obetama akwala no atete na koto atene ana enye oba bi akoma so ade ne se obewo na awo ni mu no sebi kafata wawu ede agya ne ba enti yesere ankrankre da bi a wo hwe mi firi se wo outside na so wo Ghana ha na opesa wo bua minua ma na mo wa bonti makwakoye oba yi kakra metumi aka chew ni se awo no se onye ready miss da wo twon hu firi hu esa se bosome nkono akwantuo ne ndafam na wa wawie kura no bosome miensa afa afi na obehye dan mu nto ndafam enti se school na odi asi wani so a yero hu na kɔ me pa cho se ya adwuma bi na wo ya mia wani na bo ho so na ye ade bi a odi asi wani so bia me pa cho mia wani na ye dansa obenye bosome nkono na watumi ahwa akwala anim na watetire na kɔto atwe bia na wanya ofa na bia nkɔfa na mba na aboa bi akwawe no gyatia sam nyame awado ato wanya awale papa bia wa na eba ne mba esa na mbre wafo na ofie no ene hu amane enti mesere sa wo ye ready awo no enko ho
oh wanu hwam obanye yefunu pe abrewa na be yese no nanim atwa mic enti abrewa na no bebo ne be yesa na nso no no akoto ne ba na to atwene ba bi kura oh ha dwen enti ni awote ya president Edema Adeshema fan club nana Adjoa anobiam na ne kwakura mu no na the administrator Edema countryside orphanage home ewo finfin mantemu bodwase ewutu bodwase Mr. Osei Owusu echiremu a omu hinyamwa pa omehinyamwa papa ne dikan wano moda Adeshema fan club ase wado yakese omaye wonom omo sira ban ene ya nkwankwa kahye mata so momabua wonom edu ba bia nyinam kan ya boko ne tua den pa sika anomde anuane ne ntoma bibia no ba bia no wonom esum
Mebundi Osewusu and Osewusu many administrator of countryside development. And I don't force it, especially at this year, somebody has you. Ghana, you are paid to the public. So, Muslim sharing at this year, now, I'm say I say, now, together, it will be Nkolai, it will be not to Pensua, the Coca Odomutina, Ska.
DLFM.
You be on your mind. You should prepare until you are not. I will say, the sun at top of the as I remember the issue. If you are at the floor, and you are born for the or remember say I see.
Any wuti ye no or no, and I were administrator at the countryside orphanage home. Ewa wutu bodwase. The day at the Mr. Osei Owusu and I wote in Ken. Na mani boy, yan some training Emmanuel. Opoku Edusi, the Duabon man is a DJ active, and a diamond boy, a free, finfin mantemo, ebesum yen. Nakasi abono, a honey bunu come say, pon messages and a dozen yen to mankind, and I'm brentino. momfa nche ya privacy na Adjoa Sikapa ne time ne ya wia bi ye kase ye be kan pe wa hwe be ya asem tie sere mo pa bere ne kopa na Adjoa Sikapa metena se na mesom som pa kasebo ne mu samofo ne ya Miss Mabel Antwi esemu edemanya champion Taylor edi epm wo Facebook ana fi YouTube makasebo no wonya bi ehwe yem me wo fa asem akese ema ya mola support o fia hanom DJs Gibim echinchim kese fremfo ma de som yen say technical producer kenkan fo ye pe no edi ameje so yo wo fa o se ade yo de one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma wutedin ane banchre bonana otafri jamene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes, also na Adjoa Sikapa na pamfo ena mo de dia odwumadie no ebe some mo nyina monitor adehye
capsules. Give it to me, babe.